We go
Still
back.
happening.
There you go. Bam! Okay, we got it. Hi, I'm Vernon Francois.
I'm Amandla Stenberg, and today we are going to be giving you a Nina Simone-inspired updo.
We do not know what is going to happen. So,
Ever.
no, this is very true as well. You're just going to figure this out with us in real time. Step one for me is using a hydrating water spray mist, which allows you to moisturize, get really into the depths of the scalp and protect the braids. And this is really great for working on any hair type or any hair texture or for any hair experience. You can even use it as like a primer before a blowout. In this case, I'm using it, as you can see, on the braids all the way down the strands of the braids as well. This just really helps to keep the hair soft. Malleable is really important for me, having flexibility, and just literally massage that into the scalp and into the strands.
Because like I am a gender fluid and queer person, I feel like the way that I want to express my identity through my hair can change a lot.
It does. Which I'm all for, by the way, which is why we're living.
Recently I've been in a more kind of feminine phase, which who knows when that will end. Could end any moment.
I'm drawn to picking up this first. I got these hair extensions, yaki type, but the two-tone is really good. I like to use two-tone. I very rarely use one whole tone unless it's texture specific.
When we choose a texture, it's very intentional, right? It's to connote
Yes.
something, whether that thing being connoted is a historical reference, an expression of blackness.
Yes.
Vernon also was incredibly creative.
As you're talking, I don't know if you just saw my face was smiling. I literally was gonna braid this in, but as soon as I put my hand to braid, I thought, oh, why braid it when I can knot it? I'm divorced from any idea that I have, like there's no commitment. But what I am committed to is continuing to keep it exploring what I'm doing. And this is not tight, right?
That.
Right?
It reminds me of like friendship bracelets I used to make.
Yeah, oh yeah, exactly.
You know, because you kind of use the string as like the base and then wrapping around creases patterns.
It's exactly that experience. The way that I'm lifting is from the point of the ear all the way up. And then you use this as your vocal point from the crown to continue to lift up. I don't know if you want to turn it around so I can show them the back side. The structure can always come from where you pull the braids from. So for example, as I want this to stick up all in the middle versus just pulling them all up to sit in the middle, you can see now I've cross-stitched over this particular point here. So you can see there's a cross-section happening here. Not only does that look aesthetically beautiful, but it creates a base that is indestructible. Pulling it through, almost just using the curl of my thumb, so like so. Ooh. You see that? And that's how I keep it really neat.
What the hell?
I don't know if you
That
got
was magic.
Happy with the structure that we have here. We have a nice base now, like the thickness here, the width is balancing with the skull shape, with the shoulders, with the neckline of what she's wearing.
It would be really difficult for me to pick my favorite hairstyle. The Oscars is definitely up there for me. I wanted something that was classic but powerful. I love bringing, braid styles, like, very unapologetic black braid structures to those spaces.
What we're gonna do for step 5 is dress this around to the left side and create this sort of beautiful, beautiful sweep situation. maybe for the last couple of years, this slicking and laying down edges has become a cultural phenomenon. Through a lot of my work, most often the hairline is intentionally politely groomed. It's not laid, for example. What I'm using is a hydrating water that's just full of amino acids, it's just fatty acids, it's just pure water, just misting it onto the hair, working my fingers through and going back in again. And I can use this actually on the hairstyle itself, because the design of this, it's not going to wet the hair, it's going to hydrate it and mist it, so the scalp is exposed and the hair can continue to be moisturized without wetting it. I always go in with a comb and a brush, but my fingers are the best way just to work this product to get the curl and to get it popping how I like it. This is one of the oldest tools in my kit, which was a gift to me. I just like to use this just to softly glide the hair. It's really important you register the direction of how the hair is falling rather than trying to push it into a direction. So this curl is curling like this, even though I actually want to curl it this way. So I'm actually going to go with it and just push it down the way, and then you find it will curl straight away as it should do and actually will sit nicer. You're just not going to win trying to get the hair to do something that it's not genetically designed to do.
Feels really expressive and celebratory and spunky, while also being deeply elegant and sophisticated and structural. So I love it.
Thanks. So this is step 7. Who would have thought there would have been another step in there? I hope you're keeping your pen and your pad close to you. These are great, they look cool, but could I be more intentional with them? Because I did cut them as just placeholders. I'm literally going to change this before your eyes. Do not blink, else you'll be very upset. But as soon as I take this shorter, the nuance of this now changes and the story becomes a whole new story. They are all welcome.
I really wish I was going to a ball.
The ball, darling, you are the ball. You are the ball, darling.
The height, the shape, the royal element of it.
Right.
But then talking about the actual cultural reference and the significance of the hair and what it means, what the shape means, then we started thinking about Nina. This is called champagne.
Hey, darling. And this is the champagne pouring out.
It is the champagne pouring out.
Champagne.
It's fantastic. Well, you know we're gonna have to have our own photo shoot now. Well, thank you, Vogue, for giving us the opportunity to create champagne, darling.
Thank you, Vogue.
We love you, we appreciate you.